8:09 at night, and my mom is falling asleep, and I can hear her snoring from downstairs, so I'm gonna go upstairs and see if I can get any of her snoring. Alright.